Good morning, students. Welcome back to the Numberland. Today's lecture is about surd and rationalization. Surds look difficult, but after today's class, you will solve them confidently. Let's check out. Now, part A is surds. Look at on the screen. What is surd? Okay, a surd is a irrational root which cannot be simplified into a rational number. For example, I am showing you on the screen that square root of 2, square root of 3 and square root of 5. These are surd. And what is not surd? That is square root of 4, square root of 9. These are not surds. Look at on the screen. Here I am showing surds in simplest form. A surd is in simplest form when no perfect square remains inside the root. No fraction is under the root. No root appears in the denominator. We rationalize later in this lecture. Important perfect squares are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Now how to simplify the surds? Look at on the screen. I am solving here some examples. For example, square root of 50. 50 contains a perfect square 25 into 2. So, I will write inside the square root 25 into 2 and after solving 25 is 5 outside the square root or only 2 is inside. And also like 72, that is 36 into 2. 36 is a perfect square of 6. It is outside now the square root and 2 is inside. Now how to add and subtract surds? Look at on the screen. I am showing here. Surds can be added, subtracted only if they have the same basis. For example, 3 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2, we can add them. It's equal to 8 square root of 2. And same way 7 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3, that is equal to 5 square root of 3 because bases are the same. So we can add or subtract. But 3 square root of 2 cannot be added to the 2 square root of 5 because bases square root of 2 and 5 are not same. Got it? Now multiplying the surds. Look at on the screen. Square root of A multiply by square root of b equal to square root ab. For example, square root of 3 multiply by square root of 12, that is equal to 6. Showing on the screen. Number 6, dividing surds. If I can write square root of a divided by square root of b, we can write it as whole square root of a divided by b. Showing on the screen. Also, I am showing an example. Now, part B is rationalization of denominator. Question arises that why rationalize? So, a surd must not remain in the denominator. That's why we change it. Look at on the screen. 1 over 3 square root, it's equal to, we will divide and multiply by square root of 3, that is equal to square root of 3 divided by 3. This is the answer. Now how to rationalize single surd when it is in the denominator? For example, I have 5 divided by square root of 7. Multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 7. That is equal to on the screen. Now, how to rationalize binomial surds using conjugate? When denominator is like showing on the screen, then I will multiply and divide both by its conjugate. Expressions and their conjugate are I am showing on the screen. Now, after showing some examination style questions, my lecture is closed here. Congratulations, now search are not scary anymore. Practice the worksheet to master rationalization. In the next lecture, we begin quadratic equations. Let's check out. And please, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share to the Numberland. Thank you so much.